Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Drupal CMS on Oracle Linux 8.6. Drupal is a flexible CMS based on the LAMP stack with a modular design that allows you to add and remove features as well as change the appearance and feel of your website by installing and uninstalling themes. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.6. Before installing Drupal CMS, we need LAMP setup. I have already installed LAMP setup. So now I am going to create a database for Drupal CMS. Log into MySQL root. Now I am going to create database Drupal. Now I am going to create user. Now I am going to grant all privileges on DrupalDB to user 1. Now I am going to flush privileges. Exit. Make sure to disable firewall and SE Linux. Now I am going to download the Drupal installation package using wget command. Now I am going to extract the downloaded package using unzip command. Now it's unzipped. List the directory. Now I am going to move the Drupal CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now I am going to set the ownership and permission for Drupal CMS. Now I am going to configure the virtual host for accessing the Drupal CMS. Use the following command. Make insert. Enter the virtual host configuration. Save and quit. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service using systemctl. Once restarted, now switch to browser. New tab. Enter the IP address or domain name. It's working. This is the installation page of Drupal. Select the language. Select the profile and save and continue. Enter the database details. User1. Enter the password. Click save and continue. Now it's installing. Enter the site details. Enter the admin credentials details. Click save and continue. This is the dashboard of Drupal CMS. With this, the installation of Drupal CMS on Oracle Linux 8.6 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.